Hey everyone, welcome back to our Tech Tips series. Today, we're tackling a common query: how to view the people you've blocked on Facebook using your iPhone in 2025. Whether you're curious about your block list or need to manage it, this quick guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the Facebook app installed on your iPhone. This ensures you have access to the most up-to-date features. Open the app and log in to your account if you aren't already. Step 1. Once you're in the app, tap on the menu icon. That's the three horizontal lines usually found at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will open up your main menu options. Step 2. Scroll down in the menu and look for Settings and Privacy. Tap on that to expand it, then select Settings. This is where you'll find all your account customization options. Step 3. In the Settings menu, scroll until you see the Audience and Visibility section. Tap on Blocking. That's the key spot for managing your blocked users. Step 4. On the blocking page, you'll see a list of people you've blocked. You can tap on any name to view more details or even unblock them if you choose. It's that straightforward. A quick tip: if you're using iOS 18 or later, Facebook might have some enhanced privacy features, so double check for any updates. Remember, viewing your block list doesn't notify the blocked users, so feel free to review it anytime. There you have it, a simple way to keep tabs on your blocked contacts. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more iPhone hacks, and hit the bell icon for notifications. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.